Alright, so here's the yellow long neck. I had set up a couple of air layers on it, and something decided to come along and mess with things and actually snapped one of the branches off. So you can see right there, and the branch was kind of just laying over here. So this one, we're going to leave it as is. It's already got a few roots on it. And I'm going to try to save the other one and see how things go. So let's walk over there. Alright, so here's the branch that was laying there. I snipped it from the bottom. That's the air layer thing. You can see something snapped it. And I don't know what happened. It's fairly fresh because you can tell the leaves haven't really taken much of a damage. And they're still there, but obviously limp. And what's interesting, I noticed also, like, I don't know, something tried to gnaw in it or something. I don't know what happened here. But definitely something happened here, trying to get in it or something. But on the good side, we do have roots in here. The roots are trying to leak out of there as well. So hopefully we'll be able to salvage this. Obviously it's not lignified wood. It's fairly green. But it goes to show you that you can air layer even green wood. And so I'm going to put you guys down, pop this open, and let's see what it looks like on the inside. And by the way, this is only about 13-14 days in, so I'm going to pause and take this apart real quick. Alright, so we got that popped off, and let's see. Let's open this up. There's a few roots in here. We got a ball, and we have some roots in here, so hopefully this will make it. Excuse me. Alright, so we'll see what happens with this. So we're going to go ahead and dig a hole in here. This is kind of like an emergency pot that I had created with nothing in here, just riff-raff. So let's make a hole. Alright, we got that. Let's get this bad boy in here. I'm going to try not to disturb it as little as possible. Now we're going to go a little more deeper. I'm going to bury a couple more nodes also in here. Alright, so let's put this bad boy in here. You know what though? There's sand in here, but not enough perlite. I'm gonna put this on pause. I'm gonna undump this and add a bunch of perlite, and this also make it a little bit better for it. So hang on. Alright, so we did another remix with a bit more perlite, a bit more sand, and of course we are working under the guise of the watchful eyes of our quality assurance inspector over here. Leo, what are you doing? Eating grass as usual, but all right. So let's see what happens here. Let's bury this. You know what, I'm gonna go ahead and take a node off here. Hold on. All right, so I ended up taking a couple of leaves off as well. Bury it deep. Let's cover it up. Level it off more, and hopefully this will make a recovery, and we should be good to go. Here we go. Obviously it's very stressed out at the moment, so I may actually end up snipping several leaves off, give it a chance to recover. We'll see what happens. But yeah, interesting experiment over here to see if it'll survive or not, and I'm still kind of curious to see what happened over here. I don't know. It's kind of like a wound, an open wound that's kind of dry, not oozing or anything. What is this over here? There's something white. I don't know what that is. Is it like an egg maybe or something? I don't know. That's gone. Oh well. Alright, that's it.